The box. My parcel from Tradie Trev arrived. Let's have a look. Australia Post. Very well packed. Excellent. Paper fluff. Let's see what we're going to find in here. We're going to find an email meter in here. A bit hard to unwrap things with one hand sometimes. Fabulous, fabulous. Awesome. An email Mark 1, 15 to 100 ampere. Made in Australia. Woohoo! Fabulous. Thank you, Tradie Trev. This is fantastic. A nice email M1, which I didn't have in my collection. And it's perfect because I haven't had any email meters with pointer dials. So this is fabulous. Thanks, mate. I'll put a good shout on you on my channel. Perfect. Okay, a little polish on this beautiful email meter. Just a bit of black shoe polish, a bit of transformer oil I used in this case, and an old toothbrush and a rag, and give it a good rub, and she is as new. Beautiful meter. Tradie Trev, many thanks for this fantastic meter. I'm just going to give it a test run shortly. Well, I got the email M1 now on the test plateau. I'm going to do an accuracy test against Sangamo S216, the M1, and I got the Slumber J, and somebody told me they call it Slumber J in the States. I'll get a close-up of the dials, but I need to synchronize them first. So the Mark 1 at the moment is on 80799.7. I'm going to take that as a start reading. The unadjusted device. I just changed that idea. The Schlumberger is just rolling over to 29 and it hasn't got a decimal, so I make that at 0.0. Now I'll bring the Sangamo up to 0.0 and then I'll stop that, and then I'll put the email Mark 1 on 0.0, and then I'll give it a test run for a while. The meter is in fantastic good condition. Thank you, Trevor, really appreciate it. Brisbane City Council, 2 serial numbers 356440, and it looks like a meter could have been made in 1968 from the nameplate, but it's a genuine Mark 1. Current rating 15 to 100 ampere. Very well made meter, good Australian quality. Okay, ready for the dial test. 15.0 for the Sangamo. For the Brisbane meter, the last digits are 00.0. The Mark 1, and the Schlumberger is 29.0. Activate the device. I'll put a base load of about 25 ampere through it. In this setup I'm expecting the Sangamo to run a bit more, as that is the first meter and the 3 meters I put in series. So you can expect that one picks up the burden of the potential call of the other 2 devices. I'll give a quick look around what the other devices are. Setup VT and setup current source, that's my M meter, 25 amps. We go by the green numbers, so between 20 and 20. And then we got this as number 1 meter, and then we got the email M1 as number 2 meter, and the Schlumberger as number 3 meter, the A10C2, and we're gonna give it, say, 10 kWh. That gives us an accurate reading. So at the moment we're on 0.1 here, it looks good. The email showing 0.1, In Schlumberger I can't see because there's no decimal visible. But yeah, these Australian meters are beautifully designed. Pleasure to watch these meters. Watch that meter spin. Okay viewers, here we do an intermittent reading. That meter has advanced 3.4 units. The email meter has advanced 3.4 units. The Schlumberger has advanced 3.4 units, although I can't see the decimal. It will get revealed at the end of the video. Schlumberger just clicked over. That was the click from the Sangamo. Just missed it. And the emails, it said 4.85. Tiny differences, but it's actually marginal. Accuracy is fantastic considering. Email meters from Trev, and I will put a link on this particular video. Tradi's Trev's channel.
As night falls, those skills.
Okay, we'll have to click over shortly on this Sangamo. There we go. Okay, we have a look at the reading on the email, which sits at 4.7. And the Schlumberger is just clocked over to 44. If that were the readings, and we obtained the following: the Sangamo was 15 units, the M1 was 14.7 units, and the A10 was 15.1 units. So that's very close. Thanks for watching.